Hi everyone, and welcome back to our design outsourcing series. Today, we're focusing on a practical and essential topic for anyone working with freelance drafting or remote design teams. How to change units in Revit. When outsourcing drafting work, especially across countries and regions, unit consistency becomes critical. Whether you're working in imperial or metric, mismatched units can lead to miscommunication, errors in documentation, and rework. So in this session, we'll cover how to quickly switch between imperial and metric units in Revit, how to set units for the entire project, how to override units for specific dimensions or views, and some best practices for aligning unit standards when collaborating with freelancers or external teams. I hope you have noticed all the sheet views, including plans, elevations, and sections, levels, and dimensions, are in imperial units. I'm changing the units to metrics. So for that, type UN, the shortcut for project units in Revit, so it will shows the project dialog box. In Project Unit dialog box, you have to make sure Top Discipline Common. Below Units Length Format, change to meters, and rounding decimals places you can change to 2 decimals done. Project Unit is changed to meters. But now you can see project units are changed, but still in views dimension are not changed. For that, we have to make changes in dimension types units, then only reflect the dimension units metrics. We can check how to make changes the unit changes in dimensions. In Revit, unit changes are very straightforward. Easily, we can make changes in project units and dimension units, and very quickly reflect in model as well. When you check in sections and elevations, see all levels units are changed now into metric units. Now we can try how to make the unit changes in AutoCAD, so we will get to know the two software difference. For that, we can export the same sheet plan view export to CAD, and we'll try the same file itself, the unit changes. Exported CAD sheet units are in imperial units. All the Revit sheet information are visible in this AutoCAD layout space. Before making the changes in plan, we can change the units in file currently in feet and inches now. We can change to meters. How it works, we can check now. After changing the units, still we can see same dimensions in the current view. In Plan, we can make sure any one of wall or grid lines are picking up and scaling that particular spot. So we have to search the specific portions in Plan. Finally, we found a round figure to make in meters portion. It's showing in 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 m. So now we can scale the plan, picking up the portion of this area. Now we can scale the plan, selecting all the lines and dimension. So at one time, I'm going to change the entire portion of the plan. After scale the plan now, we can change the dimension units into meter and decimal units also.